What's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Man, I have been busy this week. As you can see, guys, I have been busy passing accounts. Prop firm accounts. All right. So right now I'm doing Nova funding. I'm doing Next Step funding. And I'm also doing Quantech trading. All right. So I've passed about 17 accounts so far. I'm working on another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roughly another 6 accounts I'm currently working on right now. And as of right now, guys, Nova Funding has a 14% sale on all prop firm challenges and is valid until November 1st, guys. So if you want to move quickly and get a funded account, you got to act quick and get this 14% off their challenges. Next Step challenge, the Next Step one also has a discount, but theirs is 8%. So theirs ends a little bit earlier. So they have a 48-hour discount, 8%. You got to use the code mystery to get that to get that discount at Next Step Funded. It's very important. If you want me to pass the Next Step, make sure you get the 2-step challenge. All right, don't get the 1-step challenge. All right, get the 2-step challenge, and I'll pass it for you. But I recommend Nova Funding over Next Step, just because Nova Funding is much quicker. Next Step Funding, you have to wait like 5 minimum trading days before you get an account. But with Nova Funding, you literally can get an account get a funded account in the same day. Once you submit your KYC and everything. And the discount is more, 14%, guys. So if you are new to Forex and you don't know how to trade, I also have a solution for you. Okay, there's a third-party team who I can give you their contact, and they will trade and manage your funded account for you. Okay, so if you're new to Forex, you're like, oh man, Alex, I mean, this is great. I can get a funded account, but what do I do? You know what I mean? Yeah. There's a team that can trade your account for you, and I'll tell you all the details of that, so you can get in touch with me on Telegram, and I will go ahead and give you the details of that. But guys, act quick, man. Act quick. Take advantage of these promotions that are going on. Take advantage of these promotions that are going on, guys. Take advantage, because 14% off is a really, really, really good deal. And I'll just scroll down so you can see like what the challenge prices are like at Nova Funding. So the 25K one is $297. The 50K one is $397. Of course, 14% off that. Okay, the 100K one is $597. And the 200K one is $997. So I have a 200K account at Nova Funding. Okay, and I also have an account at Next Step Funding as well, as some other prop firms. So I'm just building up my empire. Trying to just basically try to get as many prop firm challenges as I can. And if I've passed a challenge for you, let's say at Nova or Next Step, you can always get another prop firm account at a different prop firm, and I'll pass that one for you as well. All right, there's only certain prop firms that I do pass though. Currently, again, I'll mention it. Currently, Quantech Trading, Nova Funded, right, which is the one I recommend, and Next Step Funded is the other one that you can also get an account at. All right, so guys, don't sit on fence, man. Don't wait on this. Remember last time I took you through the numbers, right? Let me quickly do that again. Yeah, so last time I took you through these numbers, guys, just to show you, hypothetical, what can be made on each challenge size, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my journey. I'm just showing you what's possible. If you decide to invest, that's entirely up to you guys. But just on a 25K account, the team that manages the funded account, they typically aim for 5 to 12%. So let's just say 10% on average. So on a 25K account, that's $2,500 in profit, right? And then Nova Funding, let me just use Nova as an example. The first month they have a 50% profit split. Second month is 70%, and then third month thereafter is 80-20, where You keep 80% and they keep 20%. Okay, so I'm using that as the formula here. All right, so 80-20. So after the 80-20 profit split on that 2,500, you're keeping 2,000, and then the company that is managing the account for you, they get 30% of that. Okay, so you're left with 1,400, which is still a really good deal. And guys, this is only optional. If you already know how to trade yourself, you don't have to use the third party company to manage your funded account. Okay, that's entirely optional. All right, so let's step up to a 50K account. Profit split is 80-20. That means you're keeping 4,000, right? After so the profit is 5K, you're keeping 4,000, which is 80% of the 5K. And then you're keeping 70% of this, right? Because 30% goes to that company. So 2,800 is your take home. 2,800. I mean, what would an extra 2,800 passive income per month do for you? Just think about that for a second. All right, let's step up, because you can always build up, right? You can start with 100K, or you start with a 50K and then work your way to the 100K account and then work your way to the 200. You can always build up. Okay. With Nova, the maximum account size or total accounts accumulated size you can have is 200K. Okay, so let's say 100K, your take home is roughly around 5,600 monthly passive income. Let that sink in. And then the 200K account, your take home potentially could be $11,200. All right, that's job quitting income right there. I mean, most people don't even make 5,600 in a month, right? So that's job quitting income just with a 100K account, right? And then 200K account, my goodness, like you have extra for vacation and stuff, you know what I mean? So guys, don't sit on the fence, guys, because this discount that they're running, it's literally only for a couple days for Nova, and Next Step Funding, the discount I think ends today if I'm not mistaken. All right, so don't sit on the fence. The code for that again is mystery for the Next Step Funding. And then for Nova, the code is Halloween. Okay, valid until November 1st. All right, so get in touch with me. My Telegram link is in the description below, and I'll get you plugged in. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a great day. Have a good weekend. Bye.